Hi English learners. I'm Stella. Today, we're learning about daily conversations. Ordering at a restaurant. Excuse me, could I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Let me know if you have any questions about our dishes.
This seafood pasta sounds delicious. Is it spicy?
It has a mild kick to it, but we can adjust the spice level to your preference.
I'll have that with less spice then. And a glass of white wine.
Certainly. One seafood pasta with mild spice and a glass of white wine coming up.
Thank you. This place has a really cozy feel to it.
Thank you for the compliment. We hope you enjoy your meal.
At the library. Excuse me, I'm looking for books on ancient history. Can you guide me?
Absolutely. The ancient history section is on the second floor, aisle 5.
Thanks. Do you have any recommendations on books about ancient Egypt?
Yes, the Oxford History of Ancient Egypt is quite popular. You might find it interesting.
Sounds good. I'll check it out. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know.
At a clothing store. Hi, I'm looking for summer dresses. Where can I find them?
Hello. Our summer collection is right over there, by the window display.
These patterns are lovely. Do you have this in a medium size?
Let me check for you. Yes, we do have it in medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where's the fitting room?
Right this way, to your left. Let me know if you need any assistance.
Thank you for your help.
Of course. Enjoy your shopping.
At a tech store. Hello, I'm interested in buying a new laptop. Can you help?
Of course. What will you primarily be using it for?
Mostly for graphic design and some video editing.
I'd recommend our latest model with a high-resolution display and powerful processor. It's perfect for design tasks.
Sounds good. Can I see the specs?
Certainly. Here's the specification sheet. Let me know if you have any questions.
Thank you. I'll take a look.
Take your time. I'm here to help if you need it.
Buying groceries. Excuse me, where can I find the apples?
They're right over there, next to the bananas.
Thanks. Are these oranges fresh?
Yes, they just arrived this morning. They're very juicy.
Do you sell organic eggs?
Sure do. They're in the dairy section, near the milk.
Great, I'll grab some. Thanks for your help.
No problem. If you need anything else, just ask.
Visiting the doctor. Hello, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Hi there. Let me check. Ah, yes, at 3 p.m. Please have a seat.
I've been having a cough lately. It's quite annoying.
I'm sorry to hear that. The doctor will see you shortly and check it out.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, there's one right across the street. They have most medications.
Thanks. I hope I feel better soon.
Get well soon. Take care.
At the coffee shop. Hi, can I get a medium coffee, please?
Sure thing. Would you like any milk or sugar?
Just a little milk, thanks. How much is it?
That'll be $2.50. Here you go.
Do you have any muffins?
Yes, we have blueberry and chocolate chip today.
I'll take a blueberry muffin then. Thanks.
You got it. Enjoy your coffee and muffin.
Renting a book. Hello, I'm looking for a book on basic English grammar.
Sure. We have a section for English learning. It's right over there.
Thanks. Can I borrow this for 2 weeks?
Of course. Just bring it back in good condition.
Do I need to pay any fees?
No, it's free. Just make sure to return it on time.
Great. I'll start reading today. Thank you.
Happy reading. Let me know if you need any other books.
All right. I hope you practiced along. Remember, frequent practice and repetition are the keys to fluency. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you next time.